Chapter 10, Mensuration for 6th class. Mensuration is that branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of areas and perimeters. A closed 2D shapes are referred as plane figures. Say square, rectangle, pentagon, triangle, all these are closed 2D shapes. If you go around the figure along the boundary, and if you find the distance measured, then that is referred as perimeter. Perimeter refers to the length of the boundary of a closed figure. Now in this you can find the perimeter. You can add this 12 plus 3 plus 7 and this 10, this 3, this 15, 12, and this is also you can measure. This is a 6. Why? Because 3 here, 3 here, here 12. 12 minus 3 plus 3, 6. 12 minus 6, 6. This is a 6. If you add, you get 68 meters. Now here perimeter of a rectangle, the formula length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So 2 times length plus breadth. Now example, length and breadth of a rectangular swimming pool are 16 and 12 meters. Find the perimeter. Formula 2 length plus breadth, 2 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is 28. 2 28 are 56 meters. Now find the cost of fencing rectangular form of length 24 meters, 18 meters at rupees 8 per meter. Perimeter of rectangle 2 length plus breadth, 2 length is 24 meters, breadth is 18. 24 plus 18 is 42. 242 is 84 meters. Cost of fencing is 8 rupees per meter now, so you have to multiply 84. 84 for the 672. Rupees 672. Regular closed figure. Regular figure means having the same length of each side and having each angle equal. Okay, that is called. And for perimeter of regular polygon is number of sides into length of the sides. So for example, this is all 4 sides are equal. It is a regular polygon. Actually, it is a square. It has all sides equal, all angles are equal. So therefore, 4 into length of perimeter is 4 into length of the side. Find a perimeter of a square having length 25 centimeters. So perimeter is 4 into length, 4 into 25, 100 centimeters. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has 3 sides equal. So 3 into length of a side. The equilateral triangle has a side 13 centimeter, 3 into 13, 39 centimeter. Perimeter of regular pentagon. It has 5 sides, all equal sides and equal angles. So 5 into length of the side. Suppose the pentagon has 9 centimeter, so 5 9s are 45 centimeter. So hexagon, 6 sides. Here you can see 6 sides are there, and 6 sides length are equal, 6 angles are equal. So length, the perimeter is 6 into length of the hexagon. Side of the each perimeter is equal to 6 into length of one side or each side. So suppose perimeter of hexagon is 15 centimeter. Find the perimeter of hexagon. Side is 15. So 6 into 15, 90 centimeter. Octagon. Octagon has 8 equal sides. So 8 into length of one side, perimeter is equal to. So suppose you have 7 centimeter, 8 7 are 56 centimeter. Area refers to surface. Now area. Area refers to the surface enclosed by a closed figure. Okay. Earlier we studied perimeter. That refers to the boundary, length of the boundary. It is surface covered. How much surface it is? Suppose there are 2 squares. One has less area, another has more area. So that square is bigger. So more the area, bigger the object will be. Okay. Now area of any regular figure we can find on the graph sheet by keeping 1 by 1 centimeter 1 centimeter graph, and we can estimate it. Each box will be 1 square unit. So suppose here camel is there. So full squares are 32 if you count, and half squares are 21. 1, 2, 3 like this. So half squares 21 into half 10.5 square unit. This 32 square unit. Total area is 32 plus 10.5, 42.5 square units. Here it is wrong. 1 square is equal to 1 mm square. Only meter square it is. No, double m should come. Mm square. So area of rectangle. Length into breadth. 20. Suppose your rectangle whose length is 20, breadth is 12. Multiply 20 12s are 240 square centimeter. So length of a rectangle. Suppose you want to find length. Area by breadth. You have to divide by area by breadth. Suppose it has a area is 48 and the breadth is 6. So divide 48 by 6, 8 meters. Similarly, you want breadth, area by length. You can do. Next problem. That is. So you want breadth, area by length. Area 81 and length is 10. Divide. So 8.1 meters is the breadth. Now area of a square, side into side. So remember, area of rectangle is 2 L into B. Perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Okay, perimeter of square is 4 into side. and the area of rectangle is L into B. Area of square is side into side. That is 13 into 13, 169 cm square.